Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So, today's interview question is: tell me five scenarios where Terraform apply will pass, but when you run Terraform destroy afterward, it will fail. Can you think of some scenarios from your work life? So, recently, this question came in one interview. So, the interview didn't ask definitely five scenarios. Interview said like few scenarios you explain from your work experience where Terraform apply will pass and destroy will fail. And he also gave one constraint where you did not manually modify the resource. So Terraform only created the resource, and next you are running Terraform immediately running Terraform destroy, but still it's failing. What could be? What are the scenarios could be? So think about it and stay till the end, and I will share one bonus question that is also very interesting one. So at the end, I will share that. So let's go through this. So one reason could be where you have insufficient permission. Insufficient permission means, like, let's say you have created a Terraform bucket. So let me give the example. Okay. So if you have watched my video number 29 on Terraform, where I discussed about what is that null resource. Okay. Uh, Here also I can quickly talk about this. AWS S3 bucket example. I'm creating a S3 bucket, and then I'm creating null resource where I'm running this provisional local exec and copying this exam file.txt into that bucket. So here I have that file example.txt and it contains hello world. So that file is getting copied after I have created the bucket. Okay. And yeah. So now I have done Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. And if I run Terraform destroy, what happens? Can you guess what will happen? I have just I've already executed init, then Terraform plan, Terraform apply, and I did not go and manually modify anything in the bucket. And now I'm running Terraform destroy. So what will happen? See, it failed. Why? Because bucket is not empty. The API error bucket not empty. The bucket you tried to delete is not empty, right? So Terraform doesn't know. It means Terraform. This is done in the provision, right? Provisional local entry. Terraform has created the bucket. It's empty bucket, and now using provisioner we have copied the file, and bucket is not empty, and it's trying to delete the bucket, destroy the bucket, but since bucket is not empty, so it's failing. So this is one scenario where it will fail. But let's say like if I don't like if I'm just getting this bucket and I don't have the permission, then also it will fail. Right? Like I'm not copying anything. It's just I'm creating bucket. I'm doing destroy. It should destroy the bucket, right? The code is only this much. Let's say only this much code. So I'm creating the bucket. After that, I'm destroying it. Now, the role or account I'm using for AWS account, I'm using to create the bucket. If that doesn't have deletion permission, it won't be able to delete it. So you need to also check your IAM role and policy. That is another scenario. So this is one scenario where you are using provisioner, you are doing something, and because of that, there is a dependency created that file has to be deleted, and that has to be cleaned up. So that is one scenario. Second scenario is insufficient permission. That could be another scenario we will face where IAM policy may not allow delete. Third scenario can be your resource life cycle, where resource deletion you may life cycle attribute you may turn it on, prevent destroy. This also I have discussed in one of my interview question video. You can check in my playlist, Terraform interview playlist. So here, prevent destroy is set for a very important resource where we don't want to destroy the instance or bucket by mistake. Even if people run the Terraform destroy, it should not be destroyed. Okay. So this is also if this is said, then Terraform destroy will definitely fail. This is another scenario, right? Then one more scenario is like if someone like outside something happened, you have deleted manually, or this state file is corrupted, or from state file someone has deleted that. Like you have not deleted the resource, but manually not deleted the resource in AWS, but deleted from the state file. So that could be another issue. Some implicit dependencies may be created. This resource has created some dependency, but that dependency has to be removed before you can destroy the resource. Maybe AWS or some cloud is creating. That could be another scenarios. Inconsistent state, out of it went out of sync for some reason, then also it will fail. Network issue could be another reason where destroy is failing. So these are the issues. I think a good one, you have already seen this provisioner one, where probably it's not an empty bucket and it's failing because we did something with the provisioner. Second is a IAM rule insufficient permission, right? And third one is like a life cycle attribute is said that they prevent destroy is prevent destroy life cycle attribute set. These are the like common scenarios. Okay. Now, one question is for you. Like here it failed. Now, what changes should I made in this code so that I'm able to do Terraform destroy? So here you have seen this AWS S3 bucket. I have created the bucket. Then I have copied. I'm running permission in the null resource, copying a file to Terraform bucket. So I want to do a Terraform destroy and want to do the cleanup and destroy the bucket. How can I do that? So think over it. If you know the answer, please write in the comment in my like YouTube comments below. And if the answer is correct, I will post on my. I will give you credit and I will post your name and the solution on my Devops Challenger page. Okay. So try this out. And as I promised that there will be like one bonus question, interesting question. Okay, before that, best practices to avoid Terraform destroy failures. Review IAM policies, whether you have all the permission to delete, destroy, etc. State is synchronized or not. You can do Terraform with trace, etc. Check dependencies, dependency cloud. Handle critical resources carefully. Use the prevent destroy lifecycle option for resources that should never be accidentally destroyed. Ensure stable connectivity. These are the best practices. So the question, I'm coming to the question, that a bonus question. There is a requirement that you have to delete all the resources except one. Now, how will you run Terraform destroy? Where Terraform destroy except this resource. How will you do that? So in Terraform destroy, we don't have Terraform destroy except minus except something. That kind of option we don't have, right? So how will you do that? So one option is like you list all the resources, Terraform state list. Then then remove the resource you don't want to destroy. So you can use this command Terraform state rm resource to be deleted. So remove that resource you don't want to destroy from the state file. So that the resource ID, etc., it will be deleted from the state file. Now, if you do Terraform destroy, all the resources will be destroyed except this one. Because Terraform will check the your state file and it won't find that resource. It doesn't know that it has created this because it's destroyed from the removed from the state file. So Terraform won't destroy it. This is the solution. List all the resources, Terraform state and resource to be deleted, and Terraform state. Hope you like this video. Please share it with your friend and like it and subscribe to YouTube channel. And if you have any feedback, please write in the comments, and this will motivate me to create more such videos on interview questions. And if you have any interesting interview questions, please share with me. And follow my, I post daily videos on my LinkedIn page. Please follow my LinkedIn page and also WhatsApp channel. Sometimes I organize contests, so you can participate in that. And so follow my WhatsApp channel, Devops Challenge Hub. You will find the link down below or on my LinkedIn page. Or you can go to the channel section of WhatsApp and search Devops Challenge Hub. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.